I folded it up. I managed to figure that out, and so here we go. We're gonna see if I can lift this puppy up. It's quite heavy.
In the middle of the day, you turn to me and say, come on, let's get away. Skip this town for a day. Get behind the wheel and drive. We don't care about the time with you by my side. I don't need to hide, I feel alive. You bring me coffee in the morning.
All right, so what we're doing tonight is we keep our electric bikes, the electric bikes down here in the Jeep. And so I've got mine in there, and then Michelle wanted to know
wait,
if...
Wait, back it up.
Okay.
So we were telling somebody about the bikes and how much we liked them. And and we love everything about them, but they're a little heavy. And so then I said, except I'm pretty sure if I absolutely had to, I could pick it up and put it in the Jeep. So here we are. Here we are trying to do it. Or I'm trying. So I folded it up. I managed to figure that out. And so here we go. We're going to see if I can lift this puppy up. It's quite heavy.
Straddle it more.
Why?
And now try to lift it up. Lift with your legs.
No, I don't have a good hold. Let's see.
Oh. Don't hit the car. Don't. Okay.
It's a little high for me. Okay, wait.
No, don't scratch the car. Don't scratch yourself. Okay, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna smash my toes. Okay, well, I was close.
You were close.
And I think it'd be easier if I was first, putting mine in instead of trying to do it next to yours.
Oh yeah, that was the problem. I'm sure that was the problem, huh? I think what we've learned is if there comes an emergency and something happens to me and we got to get to the hospital and the bikes are out, we'll probably just lock the bikes to a tree. Because remember, if something happened to me, you'd have to put both of them in. So, all right. So anyway, that's
Here, I'll do you.
our little deal with the. Oh, you're gonna embarrass me, huh?
Yeah.
Our little deal with the electric bikes. That's the one thing. These bikes are absolutely.
And tell them what bikes they are. We didn't say that.
They're the LECTRIC XPs.
Yeah.
They're awesome bikes. Love them. I buy them a million times over. Absolute great bikes. Lifting them up to put them in a pickup truck probably is not bad. When you're doing it like this and fitting them in, they can feel a little awkward, especially because you're going in at an angle and stuff like that.
And so, it's high. It's up high.
And that's why when Michelle had said that, I was like, no, not going to happen. But that's the only thing when it comes to this kind of stuff is the lifting them up to putting them inside the car.
See, it's a tight squeeze. I didn't want to hurt anything.
That's what it is. Yeah.
That's what it is.
All right, so we put them in. Then we have our little foam pieces.
To keep them from, sometimes they will bang in the car, kind of rattle around.
Kind of scratched a little bit because the vibration. So I like to put them in here, and then the other thing I do is they ride great in here. The only other thing that I do with them is I tie them together so that they're not rattling, they're just one piece. So I just keep this little piece of parachute cord in here. And
here, I'll come closer so we can see what you're doing.
Just a little simple thing. Little thing. Put these two here. So I run it through the racks like so, and then I just kind of pull them together, push them in. up through. Oops. Couldn't have done that if I would have tried. And one more time. And then I'll just tie it. And I'm not worried about anything fancy or anything. It's just, like I said, all this really does is just keeps them so that they kind of stay together and don't move a lot. And bada boom, close it down. And at first, when you first close it, sometimes the tires will push on the
Oh, the
door.
string's hanging out.
What? Oh, got it just perfect.
Okay.
Voila.
I missed the voila.
Voila.
Okay.
Bikes are loaded. And yeah, that's where we keep them. We like to keep them in there because, you know, we were, like, for instance, we were in Savannah, Georgia, and we went just out for a drive looking at the town, and we got down to the waterfront. It was so pretty, beautiful day, and everything was out there, and we're like, hey, let's go for a bike ride. So we stopped and pulled them out of the thing, and boom, took them for a ride. So that's what they're great for. We keep them in there, that way we always have them.
Okay.